Okay, Assalamualaikum. So in this video, I'm going to share to you about the lesson schedule of for CMA653 for October 2022 until March 2023. Okay, so we have 14 weeks. Okay, so first week we have done. I've shared with you the introduction punya video. Okay, so actually I'm planning to do the introduction using Webex. However, due to certain circumstances like for group 6A, we are having a public holiday on Monday, and for the coming few weeks, I'm a little bit busy with the conference. So I prepared the video, and you can watch the video, and any question related to the subject you can ask to me in the WhatsApp group lah. So topic in week 2 we are going to start with the lecture. As you still remember dalam introduction videos, I mentioned to you there are 6 big topics that we are going to cover for this subject. For the first topic is the principles of the economics. Okay, so we are going to start with the overview of Malaysian construction industry. Okay, so here we are going to identify the importance of construction industry towards national economy, the role, the characteristic, and then we're going to learn about GDP, gross domestic product. Okay, what is GDP and how construction industry can contribute to our GDP. Okay, so and then in week 2 we are going to continue with innovation in the construction industry and overseas construction opportunity for domestic firm. So all this topic will be covered using Webex lah kalau berkesempatan. Okay, kalau tak sempat, I'm going to explain to you how we're going to cover this topic lah in week 2. Alright, in week 3, we are going to move on to the next topic under topic number 1, which is productivity and quality in the construction industry. And for this topic, I'm going to use UFuture, whereby I prepare a few video related to this topic, and some video from YouTube, and some video is myself explaining about the topic. Okay, so I summarize into few short video, so you have to watch it in UFuture, and I can monitor in UFuture whether you have watched it or not. Make sure tengok. Okay, sebab saya boleh check dalam UFuture tu siapa tak tengok lagi, siapa tak habis tengok lagi dan sebagainya. So make sure you watch all the videos so that you will get a better understanding on the related topic. So in week 3 also we are going to have discussion. Okay, selepas habisnya topik productivity ni, kita dah habis topik for topic number 1. So we are going to have some discussion on that topic. So you can ask anything about the topic in WhatsApp group, and perhaps I'm going to prepare some question related to the topic in future. So you can answer you can jawab dalam future, some sort like tutorial related to the topic, and anything you want to ask about the topic, you can ask in WhatsApp group as well. Okay. So in week 4, kita akan move on to the topic 2, which is national and local and government economic policy in the built environment. Okay, sebab government punya policy. So so here we are going to start with the basic concept of economy. If you still remember, we are going to have a short revision on what is micro and what is macro economic. Okay, so kita akan tengok what is demand and supply. Kenapa demand and supply ni penting in any economy. Okay, there are really important aspect, demand and supply. And then we are going to learn about the multiplier process. Okay, how the government can use this multiplier process to control the economy of the country. Okay, macam mana nak modify economy, bila nak modify, and so on. And the following topic in week 4, we are going to have a look on the government policies. We are going to start with demand management. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, demand and supply is very important. The government will use these two tools, demand and supply, to control, to overcome the economic problems, demand and supply. Okay, so we are going to learn about economic cycle. We are going to identify what are the problems of economy. Okay, macam mana boleh berlakunya masalah ekonomi, macam mana boleh ekonomi kita boleh meleset, macam mana boleh berlaku inflation and so on. And we are going to learn also on how we can solve those problems. Okay, macam mana nak selesaikan masalah dia. Okay, so semua ni akan menggunakan UFuture. As I mentioned earlier, I have prepared a short video related to this topic. So you can watch the video in UFuture. And if any question, you can ask me later lah about the topic. Okay, in week 5, Okay, kita akan tengok pula macam mana government nak control ekonomi using supply. Nak selesaikan masalah ekonomi using supply. Tadi kita dah tengok gunakan demand. Sekarang kita nak tengok macam mana government control ekonomi using supply. Alright, so ada few approaches, ideas that the government can use in controlling the economy using supply. Okay, again we are using U-future as well. Okay, so after finish the topic of supply side economy, kita akan habis topic 2. Okay, again after habis topic 2 kita akan ada discussion. Okay, semua ni adalah teori kebanyakannya. Okay, ada sikit je calculation dekat multiplier process ni. Okay, yang lain semua teori, so that's why I open to discussion. If you have any question related to topic 1 and 2, you can ask later lah. Okay, ada dalam WhatsApp group, and also ada soalan yang maybe some sort of tutorial you have to answer in the future. Okay, we will let you know later on. Okay, before I forget, kat sini week 3 ada group project. Okay, kat sinilah saya akan brief to you about the project that you are going to do. Okay, first task you untuk subjek ni. Okay, group project, apa task you, saya akan explain masa minggu ketiga. Okay. Alright, week 6 kita akan move to topic number 3. Okay, topic number 3 is about economic factors of building design. Okay, kita akan tengok apa pentingnya development process, pentingnya feasibility studies ni. Okay, apa the design economic, apakah factors yang akan memberi kesan pada building design and so on. So kelas untuk topik ni adalah menggunakan Webex. Okay, selepas tu minggu ke-7 dan seterusnya kita akan ada face to face classes. Okay, no more online class kecuali terpaksa. Okay, kalau tak ada, it's a face to face classes starting from week 7. Okay, so week 7 masih topik 3. Okay, kita akan tengok approximate estimate, anggaran kasar. Tadi yang macam saya share, sebelum kita nak finalize the design, kita perlu dapat gambaran sebenar. Gambaran kasar, bukan sebenar. Gambaran kasar harga cost untuk projek kita, cost untuk design kita. Okay, supaya dia boleh jadi sebagai benchmark. Okay, harga secara kasar dia adalah 10 juta katakan. So kita pun start design, finalize the design. So dari the final cost tu, adakah selari dengan 10 juta yang kita anggarkan pada peringkat awal ataupun lari jauh dan sebagainya. So kita boleh jadikan sebagai guideline. Okay, estimate cost. Okay, so this topic as for calculation, and of course bila ada calculation saya akan conduct exercises okay, related to the topic lah. So nanti saya akan prepare few questions, so you can apa nama dia ni, do the exercise. We can do the exercise together in the class lah. So ini dah face to face class. Okay, in week 8 kita akan move to the last topic of topic 3, cost planning and cost control. So kita akan find way to understand on how the cost could be planned and how the cost could be controlled throughout the construction cycle. Okay, daripada design stage sampailah pada sampai pada handover punya stage, supaya cost yang kita dah plan pada peringkat awal tu tak lari jauh. Okay, pada peringkat awal kita dah plan projek ni adalah 20 juta for example. So kita tak nak lebih over budget or underestimate dan sebagainya. Alright, so again we have a discussion on topic 3. Topik 3 ni perhaps kita akan ada face to face punya discussion, and ada maybe some revision punya question related to the calculation yang kita dah belajar on topic 3. Okay, so in week 8 ni is a submission of group project. So roughly minggu ketiga sampai minggu ke-8 you ada dalam sebulan lebih, 5 minggu. Termasuk ada kat sini sebelum lepas minggu ke-6 ni ada 1 minggu semester break, midterm break. So ada lebih kurang 6 minggu. Okay, 1.5 months for you to complete your group project. Okay, should be enough. Okay, so selepas you submit, saya akan issue individual assignment, individual project in week 8. Okay, so selepas tu kita akan move on to the topic number 4. Okay, it's about investment appraisal. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, bila kita ada pilihan nak go for project A or project B or material A or material B, we need to make the right decision. So that's why kita akan go through a certain technique in order to make sure that we are making a right decision. So before that, we are going to learn about interest-time relationship, about if we invest 10 million now, berapa duit kita selepas 10 tahun dan sebagainya. So it's a basic punya knowledge. It's not only for business, it also can be applied for personal use also. Some of the method related to interest-time relationship. Okay, so ada exercises juga untuk kelas ni. And week 10 kita akan belajar pasal NPV, IRR, DCF. Lepas tu ada accounting rate of return, payback period. Ini semua berkaitan dengan investment appraisal. Okay, ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 method or 5 techniques that we can use to make sure that we are making a right decision. Okay, in week 10 juga is a submission of your individual project. So ada 2 minggu saja untuk you complete individual project. It's a simple project untuk individual punya task. Okay, so week 11 ni saya fokus on exercise saja. Sebab kat sini banyak calculation. So kita akan buat exercise saja supaya you dapat clear understanding on what we are going to learn. Okay, so untuk week 12 kita akan move to the new topic last, financial analysis. Kita akan belajar on social finance, financial ratio. Yang saya cakap tadi, kita nak tengok apa yang tersirat. Bagus ke tak sebenarnya you punya financial statement ni, bagus ke tak profit you 5 juta katakan setahun. Okay, you dapat profit 5 juta setahun, tapi adakah membadai, mencukupi ke tak untuk bisnes yang jalankan. Semua tu kita boleh investigate. Alright, dengan menggunakan financial ratios. Alright, and week 30 ni kita akan exercises juga. Ada exercises related to financial ratio. So saya tertinggal kat sini week 14 adalah you punya final test. Okay, nanti hari dan masa saya akan tetapkan. Saya akan discuss dengan Dr. Rashidah, sebab Dr. Siti Rashidah dia mengajar grup lain juga. So, because if possible saya nak buat final test ni semua serentak dengan semua grup. Subjek ni ada 4 grup, 5 grup, 4 grup yang ambil. Saya hanya mengajar 2 grup saja. So I will discuss with Dr. Siti Rashidah. So when we can conduct the final test lah. So maybe saya kena booking dia orang kuliah kot untuk make sure semua boleh datang untuk buat test pada hari dan waktu yang sama. Alright, itu yang I'm going to plan with Dr. Rashidah later lah. Okay, so that's your lesson schedule. So anything regarding the lesson schedule, lesson plan ni, you can ask me later lah. So nama pun plan, perhaps ada interruption throughout the semester, kita akan backup balik lah. Kita akan replan balik bila nak ganti dan sebagainya lah. Okay, so thank you. Assalamualaikum.